Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the SupDem indicator for MT4 and MT5. This supply and demand tool automatically identifies and displays zones where buying and selling activities are imbalanced, helping traders spot potential price reversal areas. In this video, you will see how the zones are detected, how they appear on the chart, and which trading strategies are described. The SupDem indicator, which stands for Supply and Demand Indicator, is a technical analysis tool designed to identify potential areas of support and demand in the Forex markets. It is based on the concept that price levels where buying and selling activities are imbalanced can serve as crucial turning points in the markets. The indicator employs a sophisticated algorithm that analyzes historical price data to identify these key levels and then plots them on your trading chart as colored zones, making it easier for traders to spot areas where price reversals are likely to occur. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so now we have it installed. And on the chart, the SupDem indicator displays support and demand zones as colored areas or rectangular boxes, as you can see. Supply zones where selling pressure is expected to be strong are typically marked with one color, while demand zones where buying pressure dominates are displayed with another color. Traders typically look for confluence between these zones and other technical indicators or price patterns to make trading decisions, using the zones as reference points for entries, exits, and stop loss placements. As for the settings, let's see what we have. We have inputs for first TF, use narrow bands, kill retouch, top color, as you can see as is set to yellow, bottom color as set to aqua, price mark, and price width. You can also choose your preferred time frames. Alright, as for who it's for, the SupDem indicator is suitable for traders who use supply and demand concepts and want automated zone detection to improve risk management and trading accuracy. For sell entries, traders identify a supply zone, see confirmation signals like bearish candlestick patterns, and set the entry point slightly below the supply zone with a stop loss above it. The indicator assists traders in setting stop loss and take profit levels with greater accuracy, ensuring that potential losses are limited while allowing profits to run, and it can be applied to all major and minor currency pairs. You can download the SupDem indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how automatic detection and display of supply and demand zones can help traders identify high probability reversal areas and plan trades more effectively. If you like supply and demand analysis tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.